Alright, have you ever wished there was a way to promote affiliate products without spending hours writing emails, building funnels, or hosting live webinars? If that sounds interesting, then you're going to want to stick around because today I'm taking a look at a brand new platform called AffiliMachine, and it claims to automate one of the most powerful sales methods in affiliate marketing. We all know that webinars can be incredibly effective for selling products. The challenge is that creating a webinar from scratch usually takes a lot of time. You have to choose a product, create presentation slides, write a script, build registration pages, set up follow-up emails, and then either host the webinar live or record everything yourself. For many beginners, that's simply too much. That's where AffiliMachine comes in. Instead of asking you to build everything yourself, AffiliMachine provides a collection of done-for-you webinar funnels that are already prepared around popular affiliate offers. The idea is simple. You select a campaign, connect your affiliate link, launch the funnel, and let the system handle much of the heavy lifting. One feature that really caught my attention is the built-in AI companion. According to the creators, this AI can engage with viewers during the webinar, answer common questions, and help guide potential buyers through the sales process. If it works as described, it could save affiliates a significant amount of time while creating a more interactive experience for visitors. Another interesting part of the platform is that it includes professional webinar registration pages and automated webinar rooms. Rather than starting with a blank screen, you're given pre-built assets designed to help visitors register and watch the presentation. This can be especially helpful for people who have little or no experience building marketing funnels. AffiliMachine also includes a built-in lead capture system. Instead of sending visitors directly to an affiliate offer, the system collects subscriber information first, allowing you to build your own email list. That's important because your email list becomes a long-term business asset that you can continue to communicate with over time. The platform also promises traffic generation features designed to help bring visitors into your funnels. As with any marketing system, your results will depend on factors like your niche, your audience, and how you use the platform, so it's always a good idea to have realistic expectations and continue learning effective marketing strategies. Who is AffiliMachine designed for? If you're completely new to affiliate marketing, the done-for-you approach may help reduce the technical learning curve. If you're already promoting affiliate products, it could potentially save you time by eliminating many repetitive setup tasks. And if you're looking to explore webinar marketing without creating your own presentations from scratch, this platform may be worth considering. One thing I appreciate is that AffiliMachine combines several tools into one dashboard. Instead of using separate software for landing pages, webinars, automation, and lead management, much of the workflow is organized in a single system. That can simplify the process for many users. If you're curious about using AI together with automated webinar funnels to streamline your affiliate marketing workflow, AffiliMachine is certainly an interesting platform to explore. Take some time to review the features, see how the system works, and decide whether it fits your marketing goals. If you'd like to learn more about AffiliMachine or check out the latest information, you'll find the link in the description below. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing and AI software reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.